Hi there. Today we will learn what indefinite integration is. The word indefinite means that something is not clearly expressed. Here, by indefinite integration, we mean that there is no exact boundary in which we integrate. Here we will learn how to evaluate these types of integrals. The first method we follow to evaluate indefinite integrals is integration by substitution. Just like the name suggests, we substitute a specific part of the integral to make the substitution easier. Let's see an example. Here we are replacing x squared plus 1 as u and then we integrate. We must always remember to remove x as before we integrate. But after integrating we can put back the value of u, and here the constant c is the constant of integration. So this is how integration by substitution works. The second method to evaluate indefinite integrals is known as integration by parts. In integration by parts, we use this rule. To select u and v, we further use the eyelet rule. In the eyelet rule, the expression with more priority gets to be u, and the other expression, which is below u, is taken as v. And then we apply the formula. Let's see an example. In this integral, we take cos x as v and x as u. As both of these are easy to integrate, we will directly put the values according to the formula uv minus integral v du. So that's how integration by parts work. I hope now you get a basic idea on how to evaluate indefinite integrals. There are more methods to evaluate, but first make sure you understand these two. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this video. Have a great day.